It's all right,
Just
man.
keep it rolling.
Keep it rolling.
All right. What's going on, you guys?
Yeah, this is better. The sun's in your face now.
Oh, okay, awesome. As you saw, we did an oil catch can on my car.
Second video. Go watch it,
yeah,
bitch.
second video.
Yeah, go watch it.
Go watch it.
Link in description, bitch.
Today we're gonna do a review about the catch can, how well it does. Obviously, the purpose of the catch can is so it doesn't get inside the engine itself, right?
Inside the intake
Internals
manifold.
and stuff like that.
From the pressure, from the crankcase to the intake manifold.
Okay. Yeah, and I installed it at 7,000 miles, I think it was.
I don't remember.
We said it in the video.
Go watch the video.
Yeah, go watch the video. I'm not gonna go freaking put the exact mileage that I have. You guys are gonna have to go watch it to find out.
That's all we can do for you, man.
I'm not gonna let you guys go the easy way. All right, but now I have 9,765 miles.
Damn, that's a lot of miles. Damn, where the fuck you been?
San
you drive
Diego.
to the fucking moon or something?
San Diego.
Whatever, dude.
No, yeah. But for the most part, oh shoot.
Pop the motor.
Pop the motor. Pop the motor really quick for him.
Pop the motor?
Pop the hood.
Wall 2JZ.
Pop the hood. Pop the hood. 2JZ engine, no shit.
Son of a biscuit. But obviously this car is my daily driver, but I don't usually do long trips. I also did go to San Diego, and round trip that was 700 miles. But I'm gonna attempt to take this off. It's freaking steaming right now.
It's steamy hot. Careful it doesn't drop. Oh no. I thought she had fucking Chef Boyardee hands, man.
Touch it.
I'm not touching that shit. It's probably hot as fuck.
I got Chef Boyardee hands, but it's not freaking. I'm not immune to it. I really hope I don't drop it.
Remember when Luke was trying to get it off? So our homeboy,
I'm stuck.
Our homeboy Luke, he's got a catch can on his fucking 2014 Camaro SS. And when he was taking off the catch can, we were like, I don't know, from here all the way to that like post over there. And Luke's over here in his engine bay. We're like, oh damn.
Hold on.
Whoa,
damn, look at all this.
That's creamy, dude.
What is that?
Oil.
No, that shape thing.
Oh fuck, you got metal shavings, dog.
Oh, dead ass?
Maybe.
That looked like a metal shaving.
No.
Where'd it go?
To the bottom. The river, the oil river.
Look at, you see that shiny shit?
Shiny shit.
You don't see the shiny
On
stuff?
the bottom?
Yeah.
It's metal shavings, dude.
It is, huh?
Maybe. I don't know, you can't really see it on the camera.
No, yeah, the camera's not gonna catch it. But there is some like glitter type of stuff at the bottom of this. Look here.
It's normal.
Just look at it.
It's normal.
Wonder what that thing was.
What's his name? What's his name? I got nothing on a name. Come on, baby, what's the name? We threw out his name!
That got me all nervous now.
And next week we see Martine's car blow up.
But look, as you guys can see, oh my gosh. What the hell's your problem?
What's up, man?
You better stop, dude.
Why, dude? That's not nothing bad.
I have to put it back.
Hate this guy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright. But look, as you guys saw, look at all that oil.
Yeah,
That's
it's a
just
schmoil.
It's almost
a lot.
quarter full.
Oh.
Quarter full, roughly.
Quarter empty.
Yeah, and
3/4
considering
empty.
this is from 2,500 miles, I think it is.
Something like that.
That's a lot. There's 7,000 miles before I put this on. So you can just, by judging this, you can see for example, how much is in the motor right now. So I definitely recommend putting this on right when you get the car. For long term, this is the way to go. And this will save your motor.
This is the way.
This is the way.
Disrespectful.
Now I gotta dump it.
You don't have to dump it. You're gonna get caught on camera. Candid camera.
I'm gonna throw it in the trash.
Hey man, so we're probably about halfway through this video. If you like the stuff, like the video, man. You want to see more? Subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Here he comes, man. Speed Racer. I went to the danger zone.
Hold on, I have the perfect tool. It's my cooking tools.
Let's put the stuff you cook with inside the fucking engine oil. Damn, fucking murderer.
It's fucking loaded.
Oh fuck. What the hell's that for?
It's like picking the little details off.
Oh, it's not bad. There's some guy right there, dude, in overalls. Oh, that's a metal shaving.
It is, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Let the people see it.
Damn.
Are you holding on to it tight?
Yeah, I'm holding on to it. Oh, it's a fucking...
Here, drop it.
It's just a little,
Look at that.
Damn.
What is that?
No idea.
Well, shit. Luke, my car's toast. Holy shit.
He almost fucking ran
my
you.
foot. There you go.
That almost ran over your foot?
Yeah, dude.
That shit was funny.
My bad, the 305.
Oh, fuck.
So do I.
It's too wide. Damn, that's right.
Dude,
He
look.
said, me too.
You can see all this glittery shit.
That's metal shavings, dude.
That's not good, right?
Well, it's not great. It's not.
My car has them.
Damn, not even his car. He said he has fucking more miles. So now we're putting it back.
Oh, let me clean that.
Dude,
first.
now I'm gonna ask him about when he got his hand stuck. Luke, remember when you got your hand stuck? Taking off your catch can?
I got scared.
So someone help me.
Help.
I
need
helped you.
assistance.
I need assistance.
I need skinny man.
I need backup. Hey, did you go to the danger zone?
What time,
You know, because I went to the danger zone.
As you guys saw, there was a lot of oil in the catch can itself, so I highly recommend putting this on any performance car, just for long term for your motor, and it'll be saving it for the long haul pretty much. But yeah, it's gonna be a short one. That's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment. Oh fuck, dude, I'm stuttering like a... All right, Ben, I want you to give the outro for this video.
All right, man. So I don't know what the hell you're doing at the end of the video. Oh, that's right, you're probably a fucking loyal subscriber. So make sure to hit that fucking bell notification, so next time we post something gangster, you'll be able to fucking get it the first time it's out, man.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Yeah.